Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing here. We have a hot day in store for us once again with temperatures expected right around 90 degrees. Yesterday we broke our record temperature with a high of 93. Today our record high temperature for this date is at 96 degrees, so we should fall short of that as we are only expecting the temperatures to be about 91 degrees for our daytime high today, but still another hot day in store for us. Much like yesterday, we'll see those hot temperatures lead to a pretty unstable atmosphere as we go into the afternoon and into the evening hours today, and we are expecting another shot at some showers and thunderstorms across the region. Starting out with our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, seeing that freezing level at 14,600 feet. Our winds generally out of a northwesterly direction at 16 knots at the lower levels of the atmosphere, and turning more westerly in direction as we go up in height, seeing those winds increase. Our max wind through the first 25,000 feet looks like it's around the 12 to 16,000 foot level today, seeing the westerly wind right around 45 knots. And then at the 25,000 foot level, we see those winds at around 34 knots out of a westerly direction. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see surface high pressure off the southeast coast once again pumping in that southwesterly to southerly flow, and as a result we're going to continue to see very warm conditions, unseasonably warm conditions for this time of year, and those temperatures pushing into the low 90s. You can see off to the west this frontal boundary with showers and thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley stretching across toward the mid-Atlantic region. We'll see that warm front slash stationary front bringing in some upper level disturbances along that frontal boundary toward the region later on this evening. And again, after about 5 o'clock today in the afternoon, we'll start to see that chance of some shower and thunderstorm activity begin to move into the area, but a better chance later on this evening. Looking at our radar currently, you can see nothing to be concerned with right now, just a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity, again, moving through the Ohio Valley and into the western portions of Pennsylvania. You can see a shower and thunderstorm cluster here with a strike of lightning as well here in southern Pennsylvania. But for us in our general vicinity, we are going to remain dry for the next several hours. It does look like it'll be probably after 5 o'clock before we have anything to worry about as far as shower and thunderstorm activity goes. Looking at our satellite, you can see just mainly mid and high level cloudiness streaming overhead, and we're going to continue to see plenty of sunshine through those upper level clouds as we go through the next several hours. Starting to get a little bit of lower level cumulus development as we go into the afternoon, especially into the early evening hours today. Looking at our forecast map here for the next couple of days, our forecast model showing again chances for some showers in the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula late this afternoon into the evening hours. This would be about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can start to see some shower and thunderstorm development through the northern and central portions of the Delmarva. It looks like we'll have two different waves of precipitation develop as we go into the evening hours. At first we'll move quickly through around 5 or 6 o'clock, and then we'll see some showers and thunderstorms potentially lingering into the evening. I think that'll be our best shot, is around 8 o'clock or so tonight, seeing those showers and thunderstorms potentially in our area. As we go into the day on Friday, we should stay relatively dry throughout the day on Friday, and then seeing another upper level disturbance moving south of our region as we go into the Friday evening, Saturday morning time frame. It does look like you could see a little bit of shower development early during the morning hours of Saturday. I think this first wave being produced by this model is a little quick. Most of the models are showing it more in the Saturday morning time frame, seeing those showers dive off to our south. So looking at a better chance of precipitation Saturday morning, I think, than what we will see Friday evening. And then as we go into the afternoon hours of Saturday, we're going to have some very weak flow with our winds, and it could see some pop-up showers or thunderstorms developing across that sea breeze boundary as we go into the afternoon hours on Saturday. But all in all, not looking at a washout for Saturday, just some very isolated scattered showers potentially during the day. So taking a look here at our next 24 hours and what we can expect for today. Again, another hot one in store for us with a high of 91. Looking at those showers potentially after 5 p.m. this evening. Looking at about a 20% chance between 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And then we'll see increasing chances after 8 o'clock, about a 40% chance between 8 and 11. And then after 11 o'clock, those chances will decrease once again, and we shouldn't see any showers or thunderstorms in the region after 1 o'clock tonight. Looking at the first part of Friday, looking for cooler conditions with temperatures generally running in the low 70s. We'll see a high temperature on Friday of 82 degrees, cooling down to about 67 degrees under partly cloudy skies for Friday night. So certainly looking at a pretty good cool off for us after today, looking at temperatures about 10 degrees cooler, and then continue to see those comfortable conditions for the weekend. Saturday looking at partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, just a slight chance of a shower. It does look like the best chance will be during the morning hours, but I can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon as well. Just looking at very low chances for anything to develop here at Wallops, likely under 15% for those lightning chances during the day on Saturday. Taking a look at our next 7 days and what we can expect as far as temperatures, things look very comfortable compared to today. After we get through the day, temperatures will drop about 10 degrees down to 82 for a high on Friday, and continuing to see those low to mid 80s for the weekend. Again, another round of precipitation, chance of showers and thunderstorms for Sunday. As we get through Saturday, we'll see about a 30% chance, and then Sunday looking at about a 55% chance, mainly during the evening hours with a cold front that will be moving through. And as you can see, temperatures really get comfortable for the first part of next week. High pressure builds over the region, and we'll see those high temperatures only in the 70s, and overnight lows possibly getting down to the upper 50s. So that will feel pretty nice after the last couple of days of hot summertime conditions. We'll get back to more spring-like weather for next week. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for your forecast tomorrow. Have a nice day.